Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong meron. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa ating mga sa ating private read, okay, sa ating mga items, we have protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet, meron tayong ano ba yan? Yung granter yan, no? So, to help you manifest faster. And yes, nakakapag-manifest siya para sa'yo, okay? Nakakapag-manifest siya ng mga bagay na hindi mo na ma-manifest. Siya na yung mag-manifest for you. Okay, it's like a surprise. Oo. And, yung ating pang-cord cutting. Okay, so, kung may tanong, message nyo lang po, okay? And yeah, don't forget, mag-share, like, and sub, okay? So, Scorpio. In general muna tayo, okay? In general, anong meron pagdating sa mga Scorpio placements? Yeah, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Anong meron for you, Scorpio? Ngayong mid-December. Okay. Anong meron for you? Okay, the Five of Cups. The Six of Pentacles. Tingin ko energy mo to, no? Yeah, kasi meron dito parang pinanghihinayangan. Pwedeng may manghihinayang dahil hindi ginawa yung dapat gawin. Okay? It's like, ay, sayang, dapat pala ginawa ko. In general. Okay, pero in specific, some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, ay, sana pala pinatawad ko na. Ay, sana pala tinanggap ko yung sorry niya. Okay? Meron ditong isa. Nakikita ko, dumating yung may dumating na magbabayad kaso wala ka daw. Scorpio, may tao dyan kanina sa inyo. Oo, magbabayad ata kaso wala ka. Hindi ko alam kung sino yun parang ganon. Tatanong mo, sino daw yon? Hindi ko na itanong kung sino. Isa-isahin mo, oo. Yung mga may utang sa'yo. Specific yon, oo. Hindi para sa lahat, okay? So, yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Parang timing talaga na wala ka. Kunyari magbabayad, no? Oo, parang may gano'n. Yeah, wala ka noon, wala ka dito. Oo. May darating something. Yeah, see? May pupunta. Pwedeng matagal nang hinihintay. Yeah, ba sa inyo, Scorpio? Meron ditong nag-message. Okay, may nag-message sa'yo. Pwedeng may magme-message sa'yo. Hindi mo makikita. Or pwedeng nasa message request. Something like that. Check ninyo yung mga message request ninyo. Okay, merong nag-message. Pwedeng nakikipag-ayos. Or pwedeng makikipag-ayos yung tao. In general. Saying sorry. Somebody, may chance rin na gagamit ng dummy account or yeah, hindi mo akalain siya pala yun. Okay, unknown message, unknown number, I think. Okay, parang ganyan. So, what else for you, Scorpio? Anong meron? Okay, the Four of Pentacles. What's that? Saving. Somebody's in love with you, Scorpio. Somebody. Some of you, you're not open pagdating sa new opportunities, pagdating sa love. You're not. Yeah, or maybe there's this blockages, kaya ganyan. Okay, somebody is pwedeng still holding on sa past. So, pwedeng yun yung isang blockage. There's someone, new person coming in if you're interested. Okay? There's someone else coming in. Yeah, the Ace of Wands universe. Ayoko. I'm still stuck. Gusto ko pa rin yung past ko. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Seven of Cups universe. Some of you, if this is someone new, who's this person? Parang malalaman na siya to. If you're open, okay? Pero yeah, I think some of you, you're not open pagdating sa new love. Okay? Who's this Ace of Cups? The Ten of Cups universe. Some of you, pwedeng kakilala ng family mo. There's this mutual friends. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo po, ha? Oh my God. I'm seeing here na pwedeng kamag-anak mo. Sana malayo, no? Sana malayo na kamag-anakan. Pwedeng magkakaroon ng kagustuhan sa'yo. Pwedeng someone nakakilala mo or sabihin natin, yes, kakilala mo. May chance na kakilala mo, tinatago niya yung emosyon niya sa'yo kasi pwedeng hindi pwede. Kasi pwedeng, yeah, relatives. Oh my God. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ipapakilala sa inyo ng family member or pinsan mo. Mga ganyan. Sana yun na lang, no? No? Sana yun na lang. Ano to? Family stroke? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So, Scorpio, what else? What else? Okay. Yeah, the Page of Wands universe. Yeah, energy ng may crush. Energy. Pwedeng fire sign. Somebody's into you. This person wants to get your attention. The Page of Wands universe. What's this? Yeah. I think there's many more. Oh, many more. Many na more pa, no? There's more to come. O, diba? Wow! Scorpio. Ang tema ko dito, maraming gustong kumonek sa'yo. Maraming magkakagusto sa'yo. Pero you're still stuck sa past mo. Okay? Yeah. So, this is general. Okay? This is general. Some of you, okay, may chance na magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa looks. There's pregnancy for some of you, ha? Okay? There's pregnancy. I'm seeing here one night stand for some of you. Yeah, the moon. There's this secret pregnancy, maybe. Yeah. Some of you, there's this surprise coming in. Nasasabihin, pregnant siya. Na surprise. Wala na, hindi na surprise. Okay? So, yeah. Maybe, marami nga talaga, no? Na parang magkakagusto sa'yo, kukuha ng attention mo, mga ganun. Yeah, infatuation. Okay, infatuation. Oh, sana hindi impacho, no? Anyway, diba? Iba sa inyo maraming pupuntahan. Oo. Kainan, yan. Okay? Parties, yan. Okay, so. Anyway. Yan ang akin nakikita for you. Gawin lang nating light, oo, yung inyong read, no? Wag na tayong dun sa, alam mo naman na, oo, oras na ng mga kasiyaan sa ngayon, no? Iwasan na natin muna yung stress, ha? Okay, so, the person on your mind, Scorpio, who is this? So, yun ang akin nakikita for you in general. Yeah. Mga specific rin, no? Yung lumabas. Anyway, so again, who is the person on your mind, Scorpio? Who are they? What's their energy? Anong meron sa kanya, Scorpio? The Chariot in reverse. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on dito. Pwedeng hindi siya nakaka-move on pa sa'yo. This is a past person's energy. Some of them, they like, specific, they like cars. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng nasiraan ng sasakyan. Hindi ko alam kung paano malalaman yun. Yung may nakita rin ako dito, mekaniko daw. Okay, someone who built cars, vehicle. Okay, that's so specific. Yeah. Okay, what's with this Chariot in reverse? Actually, yung energy niya hindi totally lumalayo. Nandyan lang. Okay, they're like choosing to stay. Okay, what's with this Chariot in reverse? Yeah, see the Ace of Wands. Still, itong taong to, nangangarap pa rin ng new beginning with you. Another chance, maybe. Some of you, okay, pwedeng ganon, pwedeng vice versa. Iba rito nakakuha ko ng energy na no label. No label. Yeah. Someone attracted. Some of you, pwedeng sex-based. Yes, pwedeng sex-based yung connection nyo. Nagkaroon ng sex-based connection. They're attractive. Whether babae man, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya, they're attractive. Okay? Some of them, they're single. They're single. Takot ito na magkaroon ng malalalim na connection, I think. Or seryoso ang mga connection. Takot siya sa ganon. Kaya parang pinipili niya na, okay, ganito lang tayo sex-based lang or something lang na parang friends with benefits, something like that. Okay? So, anong situation ninyo, Scorpio? Some of you, pwedeng malayo sa'yo tong taong to. You have to travel, maybe. Okay? So, anong situation ninyo nitong taong to, Scorpio? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Someone is hindi pa rin totally sabihin nating, non-committal. Okay, not ready to commit. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why? Yeah, oh my God. Third party. Okay? That is why. Hindi kanya mabigyan ng sabihin nating label. Okay? Palawakin natin yung third party Okay? Palawakin natin. Pwedeng itong taong to nakapako ito sa trabaho or nakapako sa mga responsibilidad. Okay? Ayoko kasi na kapag sinabing third party, yun agad yung nakatatak ibang tao. No? So for me, sa sitwasyon sa ngayon, hindi ko nakikita na may victory or sabihin nating walang progress. Okay, sa sitwasyon sa ngayon. They can't commit. They cannot. O parang ganyan. Or maybe hindi pa nila talaga kaya. Okay? Malapas lang time to commit. Kasi madami pa rin sila, maybe, na mga mas inuuna. Okay? Somebody may na friend zone dito. Nakakaramdam ng friend zone. Parang, ano bang gusto nito? Gusto ba niya na maging kami? Gusto ba niya na ganito na lang? Ano bang meron? Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah. Pero may pero mayroong King of Cups, no? Somebody is totally in love. Pero I can't. Yeah. Let's see. So, sa sitwasyon ngayon, sabihin nating maybe the situation is not ready, no? Oo, the situation is not yet ready. Emotion ni person, emotion niya for you. Emotion niya for you right now. They're in pain. Okay? Kung may separation dito, if this is a past person's energy, sabi ko nga sa unang card, in pain pa rin. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Okay? Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Why the Three of Swords? Yeah. They're keeping it to themselves. They're just keeping it to themselves. Like, hindi nila pinapakita na nasasaktan sila. They're holding back. They are holding back. Okay? Feeling hopeless pagdating sa situation. Yeah. Parang wala siyang magawa sa sitwasyon. Parang ang kalaban niya ay sitwasyon. This person loves you, I think. They love you genuinely. Genuine. Okay? Umaasa tong taong to. Gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Okay? Kung past person mo to. Iba sa inyo, hindi ko maisantabi yung nagsusumbigaw ditong third party. Tinatago niya sa'yo na may third party. Okay? Kung alam mo naman na may third party, wala siyang gagawin pagdesisyon, wala siyang pipiliin. Okay? Hindi ka pa rin niya bibigyan ng label. Some of you pwedeng tago na may third party dito. Okay? Kaya they can't commit. They can't give you the label you wanted. You want. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba ang next action niya towards you, Scorpio? Some of them, hindi talaga sila makaalis sa isang connection. Hindi nila kaya. Parang, yeah, hindi nila kaya. I can't. Parang ganon. So, anong next action niya towards you? Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. Some of them, they will focus on their work, career, studies, if ever. What's with this Eight of Pentacles? Thinking of you. There's plans. Okay, yeah, Judgment. If hindi ka nakakarinig sa taong to, simula ng separation, may chance na gagawin siya, na meron siyang gagawin, na merong plano, na gagawin itong taong to eventually. Okay? So, kung ikaw itong nasa third party, pagpapatuloy lang niya to. Yes, pagpapatuloy, wala siyang gagawing pagdedesisyon. Pagpapatuloy lang. Okay? Kasi ang mahalaga sa kanya is the benefits. Na kung anong meron na ibibigay mo sa kanya. Okay? Codependent. Itong taong to. Pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. So, anong outcome / advice? Outcome / advice for you, Scorpio. Placements. Follow your intuition. Some of you have to. Don't be stuck. Okay? Huwag ka ma-stuck sa mga sitwasyon na ganito. What's with this Eight of Swords? Strength. You don't need to put effort. You don't need to force things. Okay? Para maging okay. May mga sitwasyon daw po dito na kailangan talagang totally tapusin na. Hindi pwede tayong nagbubulag-bulagan at nagbibingi-bingihan sa mga sitwasyon para lang masabing okay to. Okay? Kung ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mo na nasa third party involvement kayo, Huwag mo i-keep yung sarili mo, sabihin, gusto ko nito, kasi hindi ako iniaalis. Huwag mo lokohin sarili mo. Niloloko ka na nga niya, niloloko mo pa sarili mo eh. Okay? Huwag mo nang gatungan yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. Ikaw na nga lang yung tutulong sa sarili mo. Ikaw lang yung parang magiging magandang sabihin nating gagawa ng sagot. Okay? Pero bine-brainwash mo yung sarili mo. Stop it. Stop. Okay? And ikaw, na sabihin nating yung pass mo, okay? Kung pass mo to, hindi mo kailangang ibigay sa kanya everything. Or hindi mo kailangang ipakita sa kanya everything yung kailangan niyang gawin, and hindi mo rin kailangan gumawa ng effort para may ma-fix dito. And I know na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan gumawa ng effort. Okay? Kung pass mo to. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, nakikita ko, yung past person mo, may dahilan siya eh. May dahilan siya. Kaya hindi niya na ipagpatuloy or hindi niya maibigay yung label na gusto mo. Nasaktan rin naman kasi siya. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita na talagang may masama. Okay? Yung iba, yeah, masama yung mga sabihin nating dahilan. Pero yung iba, sabihin nating mga responsibilidad ang nakikita ko eh. Yeah, because they still love you. Okay? They love you, thinking of you. Mahalaga ka pa rin sa kanya, kaya hindi ka pa rin niya iniiwan. Okay? Ayun is para sa mga taong alam nyong single tong taong to ha. Okay? Pero kung alam nyong may karelasyon to, alam nyo na, ha? Hindi ka niyan kinikip dahil mahal ka. Kinikip ka niyan kasi may codependency na meron sa inyo. Yun ang hindi mo alam. Codependent yung tao sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Kung anong kailangan i-end, end. Kung anong kailangan mong gawing desisyon, gawin. Okay? Yeah. Something needs to stop. Something needs to hindi na mag-continue. Okay? So, yeah. We have here Leo, air, earth, water, a little bit of water, Cancer, and earth. No. Fire sign. Anyway, this could be any sign. So, tayo ito muna sa all signs. Okay, all signs for Scorpio placements. Alam nyo, ang dami nag-hold back sa inyo, Scorpio. Ang dami. Or maybe you're holding back into something, into someone. Okay. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aries. Okay. So, no effort, no action. Coming from their ego, pride. Taurus, they miss you. Gemini, they're moving on. Or maybe you have to move on from this Gemini. So, Cancer yan. Cancer, there's this energy ng commitments. They want to commit. Okay, some of them, there's this tawag dyan, codependency. Okay, Leo, they're player. Okay, they're player. Virgo, they want your attention. They're crush ka ni Virgo. Okay, they miss you. Some of them. Libra, no effort. Okay, the tension pwedeng mawawala. Parang ganyan. Scorpio, they're afraid na mag-take action. They're afraid of the new beginning. Afraid na lumabas sa comfort zone. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, so I think there's this something na pwedeng may nag-stop. Okay, and I think stop na yun. Parang ganyan. Some of them, there's this money issue with the Sagittarius. Capricorn, there's energy of distance, completion with a Capricorn. Aquarius, they're a time waster. I'm sorry. A waste of time. Okay, there's this waste of time. Pisces, okay, they're scared, they're crying. Yeah, you're always in their head. You're living in their head, rent-free. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!